Press start.
Hello, I'm Officer Knights. We will learn about Euler constant. The Euler constant is a mathematical constant recurring in analysis and number theory, usually denoted by the lowercase Greek letter gamma. It is defined as the limiting difference between the harmonic series and the natural logarithm. You could find out the graph that looks similar to integrating type. We can therefore write gamma equals limit of n approaching infinity, negative natural log of n, plus summation from k equals 1 to n times 1 by k. Then it is equal to integration of minus 1 by x plus 1 by x in lower squared parenthesis and dx, limiting from 1 to infinity. The lower squared parenthesis represent the floor function of x. Then, the numerical value of Euler's constant is given by 0.57721566649. I can handle up to 10 decimals in approximation. But the web users believe that Euler's constant is handling up to 50 decimals.
0.57721566490015328600605120431059335933992.
This is 100% accuracy. As you can imagine that the sequence goes in the form of millionth, billionth, trillionth decimal and so on. How did he discover? The constant first appeared in a 1734 paper by the Swiss mathematician Leonhard Euler, titled De Progressionibus Harmonicis Observations. This irrational number has in recent years been evaluated to well over 20 billion places. In 1790, Italian mathematician Lorenzo Mascheroni used the notations A and A for the constant. Henceforth, this notation gamma appears nowhere in the writings of either Euler or Mascheroni, and was chosen at a later time perhaps because of the constant's connection to the gamma function. So, this is a basic fact of Euler's constant. Like, comment, and subscribe now on YouTube.